Nena, I mea tu tō tāne. Kua moe tāne ia, ka pēhea koe.
Okay, yeah. Because I've seen some judgment in here.
Hey.
See,
Okay. Well,
Aye.
ko koutou. Tika, well,
No, yeah.
I don't know, moku ake, I don't want someone who's getting fruity with guys.
What if they had been fruity though, but and established,
kind of
nah,
like
that's not me. I do love wahine. Or what if they're openly bisexual as well? Because I feel like, especially with tāne who are bisexual, who are more interested in wahine, are unappealing to wahine because they've got a few fruity experiences behind them. Is that a turn off for you?
I don't know, eh? I'm not sure.
Just say it.
Say it. One side you'd be like, oh, all right, how many did you do? How good were you? Show me. Teach me. And on the other side, and I'm quite keen to peg someone.
Yes.
Quite keen to peg someone, eh? So, yeah, you better not have been just the giver.
Yeah.
Better be able to take it. Because Katie, I don't mind, Hey, so, I've been with Tanya. All right, jump on.
All right.
On your hands, on your knees.
Yeah.
Let's go. I've been
Spread 'em
waiting.
out. Spread 'em out.
But yeah, no, actually, I don't know. I actually might be into it. Now that I'm realising I actually might be keen to mātaki.
Mōhio nei a hau he mea pai mo te tāne.
He
He
pāka.
ahua
Yeah.
rangirua pēr mai tahi o ngā wahine.
He mea pūhā o he mea yak ki a koe?
Paku yak.
Yeah.
Well,
Te māraki
kare koe
tōkara
i te
vei.
hia ki te, tērā pia, whatever you got to watch girls and boys now.
True.
And you go, well, oh, God.